Let's find out the isostructural compounds xenon F4, xenon O4, Br F4 minus, I3 minus and ICl4 minus. Xenon has 8 valence electrons, fluorine has 7 valence electrons. Each fluorine atom share 1 electrons each with xenon. Xenon has forming 4 covalent bonds with 4 fluorine atoms and xenon has 2 lone pairs. That means xenon has 6 hands. So xenon is sp3d2 hybridized. Molecular geometry is square planar. Next is Br F4 minus. Now bromine has 7 valence electrons. Due to negative charge, 1 electron is coming to bromine. So bromine has 8 valence electrons. Fluorine has 7 valence electrons. Each fluorine share 1 electrons each to form 4 covalent bonds. Now bromine has 4 covalent bonds with 4 fluorine atoms and 2 lone pairs. That means bromine has 6 hands. Bromine hybridization is sp3d2. Structure is square planar. Next is I3 minus. Iodine has 7 valence electrons. Due to 1 negative charge, the middle iodine atom is getting 8 electrons. Iodine is sharing 1 electron each to form 2 covalent bonds. So middle iodine atom has 2 covalent bonds and 3 lone pairs. That means iodine has 5 hands. So iodine is sp3d hybridized and it has 3 lone pairs. That's why molecular geometry is linear. Next is ICl4 minus. Here iodine has 7 valence electrons, but due to negative charge iodine become 8 valence electrons. Now iodine is sharing 1 electron each with the 4 chlorine atoms. So iodine has 4 covalent bonds with the 4 chlorine atoms and 2 lone pairs. So iodine has 4 hands. So iodine is sp3d2 but molecular geometry is square planar. Next coming to xenon O4. Xenon has 8 valence electrons, oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Oxygen is sharing 2 electrons each with the xenon. So that's why xenon and oxygen has double bond. Now the structure is tetrahedral and xenon is sp3 hybridized. So here xenon F4, Br F4 minus and ICl4 minus, they all have square planar structure and that's why they are isostructural compounds.